Welcome to Sam's Ideas Hub, the ultimate place where innovation meets daily utility. In today's special edition, we dive into Unique and Assembled Useful Ideas 2025, where you'll find a treasure trove of smart, creative, and profit-worthy concepts that transform everyday accessories and essential items into stylish, efficient, and marketable solutions. This video is designed for viewers who are always on the lookout for creative business ideas, innovative home solutions, and efficient lifestyle hacks. Whether you're a homemaker, a student, a parent, or an aspiring entrepreneur, this video is curated to bring immense value into your life by showcasing everyday products reimagined for practical use and profitability. Let's walk step by step through this incredible journey of ideas and discover how the ordinary becomes extraordinary with just a pinch of creativity and thoughtfulness. We begin with a deep dive into utensils and grocery organizer ideas. In every household, utensils and groceries often create clutter, especially in compact kitchens where space is a premium commodity. But what if we could transform this chaos into visual and functional harmony? The idea is to create stackable, multi-layered organizer trays that come with modular attachments for spoons, knives, forks, and even small spice jars. Magnetic or suction-based wall-mounted racks that save counter space can also be introduced. Rotating spice towers with labeled drawers and color-coded containers enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Hanging mesh bags for onions, garlic, and potatoes with airflow design prevent rot and keep the space clean. Think of foldable grocery racks that double as cutting platforms. These ideas aren't just useful at home, they can also be developed into unique product lines for small businesses, kitchen exhibitions, or online retail platforms. The customization potential in colors, labels, and materials can add to their uniqueness and market appeal. Now shifting gears to dirty dressers organizer bucket ideas, a commonly neglected but absolutely essential utility in every home. Why use boring plastic tubs when you can introduce designer laundry buckets with sections for whites, colored clothes, and delicate fabrics? These stylish yet functional laundry organizers can come in eco-friendly jute or foldable canvas with waterproof linings. Add zippered compartments, handles for easy carry, and built-in fragrance holders to neutralize odors. Think further. These laundry buckets can also have a digital weight indicator to notify when full. With modern apartment living, space-saving vertical laundry towers made from lightweight aluminium frames are gaining popularity. Adding wheels and brakes can make them mobile and versatile. Creating buckets with cartoon themes for kids, or monochrome minimalist designs for urban homes, opens up a market for all age groups. These aren't just buckets. They're a step toward cleaner, more organized homes and profitable merchandising. We now explore the creative realm of stylish and useful vegetables organizer ideas. Fresh produce often lies scattered or poorly stored in refrigerators and kitchen corners. But imagine uniquely designed vegetable bins that come in color-coded stackable trays with breathable lids. You could create wall-mounted hanging baskets made from bamboo or stainless steel mesh that not only look artistic but also keep veggies fresh longer. Another innovative idea is transparent fridge drawers with labels and sliding mechanisms for easy access. Introducing vegetable crates with adjustable temperature pads or cold gel bases to prolong freshness can be another breakthrough. Stylish rolling carts with segmented trays for leafy greens, tubers, and herbs could also include watering sections for live herbs. Integrating minimalist design with maximum usability is the goal here. These ideas are perfect for homemakers who love cooking, small retail vendors, or even kitchen-centric startups looking to launch new product lines. Our journey continues with stylish and useful fruits bucket organizer ideas. Fruits, like vegetables, need to be stored carefully to preserve their quality, flavor, and lifespan. Here, design meets health and elegance. One can introduce mesh-style tiered stands that allow airflow and prevent fruit spoilage. Stylish fruit buckets with adjustable compartments, suction hooks for hanging bananas, and magnetic lids for space-saving design can revolutionize the fruit storage game. Think of bamboo or wooden designs with natural polish for a rustic look, or high-gloss acrylic organizers for a modern aesthetic. For families with kids, incorporating cartoon designs, fruit-themed shapes, and multi-color codes adds fun while promoting healthy eating. Creative fruit baskets with smart sensors that remind users to consume perishable items first can appeal to tech-savvy buyers. These designs are not only practical for homes but can also be marketed to cafes, juice bars, and health-conscious communities. We now step into the colorful and chaotic world of kids' toys organizer bucket organizer ideas. Any parent knows the struggle of scattered toys. But with a bit of planning and creativity, the mess can turn into organized play spaces. Picture stackable cubes with transparent panels, so children can see their toys while keeping them organized. Buckets with chalkboard surfaces allow kids to label their storage or draw on them. Foldable toy buckets with cartoon characters, animal shapes, or color themes make storage fun. Adding wheels and pull-along handles transforms them into mobile toy carts. Wall-mounted pocket organizers or rotating racks with compartments for action figures, plushies, puzzles, and crafts can maximize space. The idea is to make cleanup time enjoyable and teach children about responsibility and organization from an early age. These buckets can be themed around seasons, cartoon series, or learning tools, creating opportunities for branding and commercial sales through online stores or pop-up toy shops. Up next is the incredibly versatile category of kids, students, ladies and gents bags organizers ideas. Bags are part of everyone's daily life, but storing them efficiently can be tricky. A unique idea is a multi-pocket hanging bag wardrobe that unfolds vertically with transparent windows for easy visibility. Hooks, clips, or Velcro panels allow users to arrange bags by size, frequency of use, or occasion. For students, locker-style mini cabinets with coded keys and sections for backpacks, lunch bags, and stationery can bring school vibes into home study corners. Ladies may prefer velvet-lined bag holders with dust covers and anti-scratch surfaces, while gents could go for leather-style organizers that reflect a sense of elegance and functionality. Over-the-door rack systems, underbed storage slides, or even Ottoman-style bag boxes that double as seating can enhance interior decor while serving practical needs. These organizers are not only great for home use but also ideal for dormitories, travel setups, boutiques, and gift stores. Custom printing, name labels, and limited editions could make them profitable collector's items as well. Now we explore a more fashion-forward segment, unique and stylish shoe stand organizer ideas. Shoes scattered at the entrance or in the closet not only look untidy but also damage the footwear. Innovative shoe stands offer a win-win solution. Imagine a tiered spiral shoe rack that rotates like a lazy Susan, occupying less floor space and offering 360-degree access. Think of transparent magnetic boxes that stack neatly and keep shoes dust-free while putting your sneaker collection on display. Foldable under-bed shoe trays with wheels, moisture-resistant interiors, and mesh ventilation panels can be game changers. Vertical wall-mounted shoe towers with sleek metallic finishes or color-changing LED lights bring modernity and practicality together. Hanging shoe pockets behind doors, modular wooden cubbies with cushion tops, and even shoe storage benches for entryways all fall into this category. The commercial market for shoe organizers is massive, especially among youth and fashion-conscious buyers. Customized racks for stilettos, sneakers, or kids' shoes can form niche product lines. These aren't just storage solutions, they are statements of style and order. As we wrap up this immersive showcase of unique and assembled useful ideas for 2025, remember that these concepts aren't just for aesthetic or organizational appeal. They hold the power to become scalable, profitable, and widely usable business ideas. These creative solutions can be crafted at home or developed into full product lines for local markets, e-commerce platforms, or even international exports. Sam's Ideas Hub isn't just about ideas, it's about empowering our audience to visualize change, design better living, and create income opportunities using innovation and daily life utility. If you found value in this video, if your mind sparked with a new business thought, or if you now see your home's potential for transformation, then this is your moment to engage. Let's grow this community together. Subscribe to Sam's Ideas Hub for regular updates on new concepts, smart life hacks, and future-forward utility ideas. Like this video if you enjoyed the insights, comment below with your favorite idea or share your own unique invention, and don't forget to share this with friends and family who could benefit from it. With every like, comment, and share, you help this platform reach others who are searching for that one idea to spark change. Your support is the fuel behind this mission of creativity, utility, and empowerment. Until next time, keep thinking smart, living better, and believing in the power of simple ideas. Now that you've seen an extensive collection of unique and assembled useful ideas 2025, it's time to pause and realize the powerful message behind this entire video. These ideas are more than just organization hacks. They represent the mindset of modern living: efficiency, creativity, minimalism, and conscious consumption. From the kitchen to the closet, from kids' rooms to travel bags, and even pet supplies, every item we use can be upgraded into something smart, beautiful, and meaningful. These ideas offer a pathway for homemakers, students, designers, and entrepreneurs to rethink how they live and how they earn. On your journey to simplify life or start a profitable side hustle, these ideas can become your stepping stones. You don't need to be a manufacturer or investor, just someone with vision and passion. Even one of these ideas, taken seriously, can turn into a business or product line. If you enjoy crafting, designing, assembling, or innovating, you already have what it takes to bring these concepts to life. And if you're someone just seeking peace, simplicity, and smart use of space in your own home, these organizers will bring calm into the chaos. Sam's Ideas Hub stands with every creator, homemaker, thinker, and doer who believes in the power of simple ideas. Our goal is to keep bringing you fresh, practical, unique, and sellable ideas to improve life and possibly income. We are not just a channel, we are a movement of thinkers who believe in utility, beauty, and innovation. If you found this video valuable, inspiring, or even if it simply sparked one idea in your mind, then please support this journey. Like this video to show appreciation. Share it with someone who needs it, a friend looking for business ideas, a homemaker looking for order, or a student setting up their space. Subscribe to Sam's Ideas Hub to stay updated with more real-life ideas, unique hacks, and daily use inspirations. Your